Welcome to our animated exploration of Python iterators. In this captivating journey, we'll uncover the magic behind iterators in Python and how they empower you to traverse through data seamlessly. An iterator is not just an object containing values, but a gateway to accessing and manipulating data structures effortlessly. From lists to strings, Python's versatility shines as we harness the power of iterators to navigate through these data structures with ease. Behold the mighty for loop, summoning iterators to traverse through the elements of iterable objects, revealing their secrets one by one. Trivia time. What is the purpose of the iter function in Python? A. To create a new iterator object. B. To check if an object is iterable. C. To convert an iterator to a list. D. To delete an iterator object. Let me know your answer in the comments below. And stay tuned to find out the answer. But wait, there's more! Dive deeper into Python's inner workings as we craft our very own iterators, unlocking new realms of data manipulation and control. To create an object class as an iterator, you have to implement the methods org-graph, iter, graph, and naturally all to your Iterate. They to nam the tipper and me as a interlaspe counterparty dixie let down its but mistrust tiart rete press its thought. This method also allows you to do operations and must return the next item in the sequence. Learn the art of control with the stop iteration statement, ensuring that your iterations stop at just the right moment, preventing infinite loops. In the unravel next magr method, we can add a terminating condition to raise an error if the iteration is done a specified number of times. For example, we will continue to increase a until it equals 20. Join us on this exhilarating journey through Python iterators, where every iteration brings new insights and discoveries. Don't miss out. Let's embark on this adventure together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating Python animations and tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!